Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. So to do that, I'm just going to color like my skin all black here and the nails as well. Get the mermaid's tail and color it all black. And then you do need VIP for this. So I'm just going to go to actually just enable the lagoon pose first from the mermaid pose pack here. Then we're going to get this hat. We're going to color it all black here. Then we are going to position the Y at 0.46, the Z at 0.36. Also, this is going to be a long tutorial, so yeah. X at 0.85 for the rotation. And we're going to scale it to 0.64. Then we're going to need the fur hat, which is here. They moved it. Position the Y at 0.28. And then the Z at 0.33. Rotate the X to 0.74. And then scale it to 0.72. Then we're going to get this hat here in black as well. And then we're going to position the X at 0.48, the Y at 0.08, and then the Z at 0.23. Rotate the X to 1, and then we're going to scale that to 0.72. Okay, it's not looking like it now. Then I'm going to get this thick headband here in black. Position the Y at 0, the Z at 0.16, and then we're going to scale it to 1. I think I'm supposed to, hold on, I forgot to rotate it. Then we're going to also rotate the X to 0.95. Like this. Then for the eyes, I'm just going to get this headband here. Toggle it to the higher setting. Color it black and then color it this green. It is the B7F89B. And then for this one, we're going to position the Z to 0.08. Sorry, that's the what? Nope. Position the Z at 0.08 here. And then rotate the X to 0.96. Then we're going to scale it to 0.38. Get this earring, the like square rectangle one. I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to color it all black. And then position the X to 0.54. The Y to 0.81. The Z to 0.37. And then rotate, whoops, the Y to 1. Oh my gosh, I clicked something else. Rotate the Y to a 1. And then the Z to 0.78. And then scale it down to 0.39. Hold on. Position the X to 0.54, 0.81, 0.37, rotate the Y1. Okay. Then I'm going to get these earrings in all black too, like the granny flower earrings. I don't know what they're called. I just call them like that. Position the X to 0.47, the Y to 0.70, the Z to 0.37, and then rotate the Y to 1. Then the Z to 0.02. And then scale it up to 0.61. Why isn't it showing? I'm so confused right now. Hold on. Position the y x.47, y.70, z.38. Rotate the y to 0. Okay, rotate the y to 0. I'm sorry. 0. Okay. And then I think I'm just going to adjust this one, and I'm just going to scale it up a little bit. I might move it like up maybe a little. I think it should be like 0.84 instead for the y. Okay. Now we are going to get these ears from VIP. This one, scale it up to a 1, and then this one too in black, and scale it up to a 1. Then for the outfit, we're going to use this in all black, and then this one in all black too. And then we're going to get this dress in all black. And then we are going to get these gloves in all black, and then this too in all black. And then the wings in black. Maybe in bigger. And then we will need to go, let's go to the dressing rooms again for this one. Oh my gosh, that's so, okay. Let me just not do a pose right now. Okay, it's gonna look weird. But we're going to need this top from VIP in all black too. And then we are going to use the tail. Where is it? This one in all black. Like so. And then we also need this top from the spring collection, the flowered one. And again, all black. And I think that should be it. Let's do the lagoon pose again. And that is Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.